Real estate investing was never the problem. Fragmentation was. Introducing PropertySource, the first end-to-end transaction platform built for serious investors, wholesalers, and communities. Post it, match it, fund it, close it, all under one roof. Post a deal in minutes. Upload photos, documents, and details. Instantly. It goes live across a national connected network. Matched buyers are notified automatically. Offers arrive digitally, accept, and the deal routes directly to title, automatically. Set your buy box. Your criteria becomes your advantage. Browse off-market opportunities nationwide. Submit a digital offer. Request financing directly in the platform. Fund, close, all seamlessly without external tools. Launch your own marketplace. Your logo, your colors, your URL. Powered by PropertySource infrastructure. Your community buys and sells on your branded platform, connected to the full national inventory. An AI agent available 24/7. Contracts and documents are stored securely in one digital vault. Accepted offers routed directly to title systems, the MLS for off-market real estate, without the gatekeepers. PropertySource, where serious investors, wholesalers, and communities connect.